Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Sony Bravia 7 TV that keeps turning off. So in order to fix it, the first thing that I did was that I actually unplugged my Sony Bravia 7 TV and I left it unplugged for about 60 seconds and then I went ahead and replugged it back in. Go ahead and check and see if that fixes the issue. And then the next thing that you can do is that if you go into the settings tab of your Sony Bravia 7 TV, you can actually go ahead and click on all settings, scroll all the way down, and then where it says system right over here, go ahead and scroll down even further. And then where it says reset, this is where you're going to be able to go ahead and restart your TV and check if that works. Now check if that works, but that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix a Sony Bravia 7 TV that keeps turning off. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.